videotaping it. We're already flooded?
Yeah. Wow.
We're already flooded. This is like in 5 seconds.
Wow.
Like, this is less than, what, a minute? In less than a minute.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I've never seen it this bad.
Okay.
Look at the street.
Good thing it's not May 21st.
Holy
In
cow.
the house.
Come on. Wow. Honey, you see that?
We're flooding. Don't let Joey come home. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Oh, more than what it's not, dude.
Hang on. Let me video. Let me video.
We might have
Look at this.
like a little tornado thing going on.
It's an apocalypse.
Oh, I ain't worried. I don't worry about shit, dude.
Look
I'm
at
just telling
this.
you, the fucking
Oh
hell
my
that's coming down
gosh.
right now. I got probably about a 1/4 inch of hell on the ground in my backyard.
It's been less than 2 minutes. The streets are completely flooded. And we're having a barbecue.
I don't know, man.
This is crazy. Oh my